Certain plants possess natural compounds that can be beneficial in aiding the weight loss process when combined with a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Here are some plants that have been studied for their potential effects on weight loss. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, Ocimum sanctum or Ocimum tenuiflorum, is a medicinal plant revered for its therapeutic properties and traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine and other healing practices. While it's not generally directly associated with weight loss, it can offer some benefits that can be useful as part of a healthy lifestyle that includes weight loss. Some ways in which holy basil can offer assistance include stress reduction. Holy basil is known for its adaptogenic properties, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Chronic stress can negatively impact eating patterns and food choices, contributing to weight gain. Reducing stress can be beneficial for a weight loss approach. Blood sugar control. Some studies indicate that holy basil can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for appetite control and avoiding insulin spikes that can lead to weight gain. Anti-inflammatory properties. Holy basil contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds that can support overall health and potentially influence metabolism. Improved digestion. Holy basil is also considered beneficial for digestive health. Healthy digestion is important for efficient nutrient absorption and maintaining a healthy weight. Hormonal balance. Some traditional medicine practitioners believe that holy basil can help balance hormones, which can be important for weight management, especially in women. The second plant that aids in weight loss is Amur cork bark. The bark of the Amur cork tree is valued for its active compounds, including berberine, known for its potential antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. Additionally, berberine has been studied for its potential influence on metabolism and metabolic health. Some studies suggest that berberine, present in Amur cork bark, may positively influence glucose and lipid metabolism, which can have implications for blood sugar regulation and potentially weight loss. The Amur cork tree, scientifically known as Philodendron amurense, is a native tree of Asia, particularly in the eastern regions of China, Japan, and Korea. This plant has been used in traditional Chinese medicine for centuries due to its medicinal properties. If you're unsure about how to find and use these scientifically proven effective plants, I recommend a supplement that contains both of these weight loss aiding plants. To assist you, I've provided the link in the description. In addition to the 2 plants mentioned earlier, the Exipure supplement contains 8 ingredients that can help you lose weight more efficiently. Exipure offers a 180-day guarantee for you to try the product. Many women have been able to achieve weight loss results in a short time. I've included the link to the official website in the description.